YouTube, Santa Frank here. Today, opening hobby box number 7 out of my case of Star Wars Black and White Empire Strikes Back. Got this case from Blowout Cards. The case definitely starting to heat up a little bit. We should definitely have, this is going to be the second half of the case. We should definitely have some sketch cards because it's usually like 50-50. And we've hit mostly autos so far. Spoiler alert, but yeah, we have. Okay. Put the top pack on the bottom. I'll probably do a sketch, I would say. Alright, so we got Luke, more Luke, Princess Leia, there's a green parallel, some troopers there. Great shot of Han screaming. Empire Strikes Back, definitely my all-time favorite Star Wars movie. So, really like the artwork in this set. Or not the artwork, the pictures. There's Yoda. So, all those scum bounty hunters. Luke, Leia, blue Leia. Hey, there's iconic character Yoda. It's a nice one. The iconic characters are pretty hard to get. It's going to be a tough set to make. I just want to go back to this card. That medical droid guy, I have the action figure of that, and every one of these little arms, they all move on the action figure. Very cool action figure to have. Knight, Vader, Princess Leia. There's Chewie and Leia. That's a great shot right there. Luke versus Vader. Alright, next pack. Han Solo. There's a sepia behind the scenes with Harrison Ford there. That would be a great auto to pull to get Harrison Ford out of the Empire Strikes Back set. And definitely not counting on that though. There's a nice Luke. Inside the Falcon. Is that a sketch? No. Thought it was a sketch. Tauntaun, blue parallel. There's a poster. That one would look cool as a blue parallel, I think. Seems like the Hoth scenes look really good in the blue parallel. So like this. Because of all the ice. I'm gonna mess this pack up. There you go. Luke Wampa. Red. That might be a red parallel. Yep. Nice. 6 out of 10. That's a cool scene too there with Luke and Chewie and Han. The red parallel. Behind the scenes. That's upside down. And now for our hit. Bosk. Something different in this pack. That must be a sketch. It is without looking at it. Han Solo. There's Yoda. Yeah, that's a sketch. Okay, so we got. That's cool. Shot of Yoda playing with the little flashlight there, and R2's trying to take it from him. There's still cards that I have not seen yet out of this stuff. Okay, let's see what's the deal with this sketch here. First, we'll look and see who the artist is. Star Wars Empire Strikes Back. Congratulations. You discovered a Star Wars sketch card from Empire Strikes Back. Tim Shin. Wow, a lot of stuff going on there. He has auto. He wrote out his name and put some little drawing there. Okay, let's see what we got. Slug. Or worm, whatever that thing is. And there's the Millennium Falcon flying out of its mouth. That's pretty cool. Like that one. Cool sketch. Let's leave it. So nice work by Tim Shin. I definitely have not gotten any of his sketches before. This is a good box. We got a nice iconic character Yoda out of 10. Cool scene there. Red parallel, green parallel, and a space worm sketch. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.